Hi guys, so I'm not gonna discuss the other topic discussed by Sir Bodejas because that was so complex and I forgot about it. So here we're gonna determine the length of the side marked X. So let's have two problems. This one, we have the X side and we have 67 degrees here and 24 here. So let's say that let's have another problem where our this is missing and we have 24 here. This is also 67 degrees. Now let's not solve for the first one. So what we're missing here is that this is the viewpoint. To remind you, this is the viewpoint, which means this is the opposite adjacent side, this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. So we're gonna find for the opposite side. So we're gonna use trigonometric functions, and for this we're gonna use sine, because sine theta is equivalent to opposition divided by hypotenuse. Now let's plug in the values for sin. Sine 67 degrees is equivalent to opposite. Our opposite is missing, so let's plug in x and let's put in 24. Now, what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna remove 24. So to do that, we're gonna multiply x 20 divided by 24, close parenthesis, to 24, sin 67 to 24. Now, cancel this out, and we only have x left. So, for sin 67, you have to simply plug into your calculators what is sin of 67. Sin 67 is 0.9205, which is 0.9205, and we still have to multiply it by 24. 24 times 0.9205, and we get 22.092 equals x. So we have found the value of x in our solution. We have found the value for the opposite side of the triangle. Now what if we're looking for the hypotenuse? So let's say we're gonna use the same thing. Sine theta equals opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Now sine 67 equals 24 divided by x. Now we're gonna divide x to remove x, multiply both sides by x. So sin 67 degrees, the same process as before. Multiply values by x. Now we have x sin 67. We got this canceled out and we have 24. Now, what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna remove sin 67 now. So sin 67 degrees divided by sin 67 degrees. Now, cancel this out and we only have x left. Now, we're gonna plug it into your calculators. What is 24 divided by sin 67? And we're gonna receive 26.072. Now, since we have 26.072 on our calculator, this is the value of our hypotenuse. So to prove that this is actually correct, we'll just have to do it the opposite way, which is we're gonna plug in for the checking. We're just gonna do sin 67 degrees equals 26.072 divided by x. Oopsie, it's actually the opposite. 26.072, multiply both sides by 26.072, cancel this out. We have x sin 67 times 26.072 multiplied by sin of 67. And we have 23.999 equals x, which is actually 24. So therefore, that's how you solve.